Hello, thanks for watching. Edward here, and welcome to this video where I talk about AI traffic hacks and reveal some pretty incredible systems built within this free marketing tool that many of you didn't even know about. They're hidden gems, but they work, and I personally use them every single day. And yes, I did create this system, but I created it because I wanted to be a happy user of a system that just didn't exist out there. Because I like to play the long game, and I don't mean that in a boring way. What that means, we're here because we're consistent. We've got access to tools that help us to be consistent, but not only that, it leverages up day by day so that even though we're just playing the long game, we're also generating a lot of momentum because we've got a lot of powerful tools that are free that we can share out. And that keeps your businesses hot because you can customize this system, adding your businesses into the system. And when you are sharing out the free done-for-you tools and marketing systems and strategies out there on the internet, on social media and so on, then everything looks fresh because a lot of AI slop that we see a lot out there. But what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to keep a system going so that you have done-for-you tools, done-for-you content, tools that nobody's ever seen before that are going to be fresh, making sure that people see fresh content. That's what drives excitement and interest and intrigue to get them to take action, because that's what it's all about. They get access because we're giving out this system for free. We give you branding rights and giveaway rights to this system. You share out your links. It's very, very easy. You just go through the 5-step wizard. You're set up. You get your link. You share it out. But you don't just share out a link like most people do, willy-nilly. What you're doing is you're sharing out done-for-you tools that are always updated and fresh. So let's get started. What you would do is you would come in here and you would start with the blueprint wizard, but you wouldn't even see the dashboard as you register for free. The first thing you would see is you would see the 5-step wizard. This is basically what you would see. You would start with the 5-step wizard and you would go through, you would get yourself set up, you follow the simple on-screen instructions, watch the videos. And then finally, by the end of this simple 5-step wizard, not only will you be plugged in and fully connected and on board, and it would take just minutes, but you also have your link ready to share out. You're set up completely. Then you would see the dashboard. You don't really need to go through any of these because you've already done it. You'll be able to set up your programs in here. But the good thing is, guys, is that we have a fast funnel tech. You get access to done-for-you pages that we've added in here. You can open up the library and you've got all the pages available to you, extra pages that you can get access to as well, that really help and give you that unfair advantage by sharing this. You get access to a lot of advertising methods on this platform. And a lot of it obviously is powered by AI. You also get access to your own lead capture pages that you can customize, or just, as I say, you can use the done for you in the library. So we've got them all there. You're already 100% set up anyway, but you have a few extra tools that you can tweak and customize the color scheme or whatever you want to do. Now, so why is this AI related? Why do we keep saying this is AI related? Well, there's a lot of AI systems in place where you may not know about, but more importantly, step 1 will give you access to full AI training, everything that you would need, because people struggle with the very things, and the training that you get will help you with leveraging up your marketing game, which is important. It keeps you ahead of the game. And then also on step 4, you have access to what we call an instant AI micro biz. This is actually lead lightning. It's just a one-time $7 and you get over 80% commissions. You get a $6 commission every time someone joins you. And this is already part of the funnel. And the good news is that you get all the AI tools inside, plus an AI system that works 24/7 that does the following up and all the heavy lifting. And then you get all the rest of the tools, and everything is very, very much set up in the back office for you because you've already been through the wizard. So the only thing you really need to focus on is making sure you get your links out there. One of the things I love is the traffic rotator. When you're on the traffic rotator, you're always showcased on the front page, and we're updating and we're adding new lead magnets all the time, including this one I did today. So the leads will just see what we've got in terms of value and training and everything, and it's all branded to you with your join link. We've got the cheat sheets and we've got the mind maps with your links on them, and obviously the video. But they get to download your PDF under the video. But this is giving full training on this topic, free access to these topics. We've also got premium topics So if you are an upgraded user in either the Pro or the Elite, obviously I'm Elite because I'm a happy user of my own system. What you basically get access to is a whole library of templates, including the Pro and the Elite libraries. These are just templates that you can use, and you basically can set up your own funnels. So when you click, this is an example of a funnel. And you can optionally add your recommended businesses of choice down there, and your leads would get to download, or they can watch the video.
Let me ask you something. Have you ever wished you had a system that could follow up?
And then obviously the cheat sheet and the web view and everything. So as a Pro or Elite member, you get more of these lead magnets that are branded to you. Plus you get all the free lead magnets as well that we've made available. But unlike the free version, you get the full-blown landing page builder, which is also all set up with AI as well. So you've got a full-blown AI suite as well, so that you can start marketing the system. So that's powerful. So for example, if you want to just, you can download the mock-up, you can use the AI suite. What you can do is you can select the tone. And if you're a power user, you can optionally add extra settings and your prompt, but you don't need to because it already understands the content. So the AI tool knows the content, and you can just click generate. And what it'll do is it'll just create your posts that you can share out onto social media. Give it a chance to sort of work. There it is. So you get the posts, you get your Facebook posts, you can copy to clipboard, Instagram, everything, email template to share out with your leads, because you're building leads at the same time as well. I mean, this is all connected up to an autoresponder. So you're building your leads. If you want, you can do a 20-30 seconds video transcript about this topic. You can schedule your posts, so you can make sure that you add your posts as a schedule, so you can schedule your posts throughout the month so that you can have everything working on autopilot. Obviously, it doesn't post it for you, but it just shows you what you can set up so that what you need to post. So that's powerful. So yeah, I mean, basically, guys, we've got so much for you in here, including something where you can get access to some more tools, and you can download your app, which you can share out. This is also Rebrandable. You've got an app there. You've got marketing tools, extra AI hub, special branding tool there as well. So you've got a lot you can use to share out, and we're building new stuff all the time. Anyway, I hope you like it. But guys, give me a like, subscribe to my channel. And I look forward to working with you. So get on the inside, get on the link below, and get yourself set up. You'll be up and running in minutes. You just go through the wizard and you'll be set up, and you can get access to all these tools and all the new tools that we're adding all the time. So just get yourself plugged in. All right. Thanks for watching, guys. See you on the inside. Bye for now.